y'all. The company we will be working with today is Beautyforever, y'all. They sent me so many goodies along with this super soft 24-inch body wave wig. Now, what's so good about this wig, y'all, is the quality, y'all. It was soft like literal butter. This is probably the best wig any company has ever sent me so far. Like, it definitely takes the cake. Now, this wig was sent with the lace already cut and the knots were already, the lace was already plucked. I did go ahead and bleach the knots. I wanted to show you guys how y'all are going to receive this wig if y'all purchase it. And this is really good for beginners. The only thing I would say is I wish it wasn't just knots and then it was cut. Like, I wish it was like a little bit of lace left over, but it's okay. I fleeked it anyway. I don't know why I decided to do the ball cap method knowing that it was a closure, but I just did it anyway, y'all. It's literally like second nature. I just do it not even realizing that it was a closure wig, but I still fleeked it anyways. So as you guys know, I don't know how to use a curling iron. Now, what I went ahead and did was I went ahead and used my curling iron as a curling wand. So that is what I'm doing here in this video. Don't mind the lighting. I was on the phone with my mom. Don't mind the lighting because it does make the hair look frizzy, but the hair was soft and beautiful. And I did go in with the Sebastian shape something. It's a hairspray, and then I also went in with the Erica J sheen spray and heat protectant. Okay, so that made the hair very shiny, even softer. And my arms was hurting, y'all, which is why I didn't record the whole entire process. But y'all, this took me probably about an hour, y'all. This wig is thick. I don't know how much density it is. I'll put all the information down below. But baby, this wig was so thick. I never thought that it was going to end, okay? So I'm going to let y'all go ahead and enjoy this video. Now, I started to get a little frustrated when I put this wig on because I've never had a wig be like already cut and the notch just be like right exactly on the hairline. You guys will see what I'm talking about. I think you guys will see. Yeah, you guys will see what I'm talking about. But what I did was I went in with the Eben lace spray, and then it was kind of hard. I didn't want to lay down because the wig was cut like in a circular motion. So I recommend this wig for beginners, but I personally would prefer my lace to not be cut just because my hairline is weird. I got like a fat shape head. So how they cut it really didn't sit well with my hair. So I ended up using hair glue to lay down the edges that did not want to lay down just with the Eben spray. So yeah.
Perfect, just too good to be true.
I did go ahead and pluck the lace a little bit just because I didn't like how the knots were just sitting on the top of my hairline. I didn't like it, so I went ahead and plucked it. I also went in with the melt band that they sent me, and I also went in with a little bit of spritz on the hairline just to get the wig as flat as possible. I was thinking about doing a side part, but girl, the side part was not given, so I did go ahead and do a middle part. And as y'all can see, just from looking at this video, like the quality of the wig is insane, shiny. It's given very much a perm. Like, do y'all see the quality? Like, it's, oh my God, it's just so nice. So yeah, if you guys are interested in going ahead and purchasing this wig or any wig from Beautyforever, go ahead and click the link. I will link everything down below, as well as a coupon code if they have one for me, y'all. So yeah, they always have sales on their website, y'all. Just go check them out and tell them that I sent y'all. But yeah, so thank you so much to Beautyforever for sponsoring today's video. This wig definitely exceeded my expectations, and it held the curl actually very well. For some curls that I didn't pin up, it actually held for, like, I want to say a day. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.